Introducing the new Microtek Solar Battery, your perfect solar inverter companion. Experience energy efficiency with AMP technology for longer life, extended power backup, fast recharge. Our solar batteries made with 99.98% pure lead, which provides long power backup so you can enjoy uninterrupted power and fast recharge to quickly return to full charge. Our batteries are designed to provide ultra-low maintenance, which require no frequent water top-ups, allowing you to enjoy a stress-free experience. With more than 500 service centers and 1,500 plus engineers, we provide prompt and efficient on-site support everywhere in India. Harness solar energy with Microtek's solar panel, inverter and batteries for a greener future. Raho on, full on with advanced Microtek solar battery.